Hi, I'm Jackson. Barkbusters has been made in Australia since 1984. Just 1 year later, we were on the international stage with our first couple mount handguard. As demand grew, we expanded our range to offer handguards for all types of bikes. We're Australian made from our backbones to our plastic guards. We machine our raw materials in-house at our Melbourne facility. Our mounting clamps and backbones are cut and milled by our production team. We have more than 20 custom-made backbones and growing to ensure a perfect fit. Once bent, we heat treat the backbones for maximum strength. Over 100 hardware kits are hand-picked to suit our custom-made backbones. Our in-house designed plastic guards and hardware are made for the toughest conditions. Australian-made parts are packaged together to make Barkbusters and are ready to ship worldwide.